What's up, everybody? I'm Sean with Clean Command LLC based in Charleston, South Carolina. Today we're doing a residential window cleaning. Already wrapped up the interior windows as well as these top two exterior windows. So what I'm going to show you is how accessible some screens are. I don't really have a great example of difficult screens today. I kind of lucked out. These are super easy. They just slide right up. Once you get into the window cleaning space, you're going to realize that this is the best case scenario because you do not need to remove the screens. They just literally, you clean the top section, you raise it up, you clean the bottom section, you lower it back down. Be careful not to do it too quickly because you might get dust and other contaminants back on the glass that you just cleaned. And if you're really scared of it, if your screens are dirty and you're not going to clean them, in this scenario, you would probably want to work backwards. So move it up, clean it, move it down, clean the top. But I like to work top down because of the dripping of water and detergent. And then I'm going to show you as well how we minimize the amount of liquid. So a lot of guys are dipping these into a window cleaning bucket. If you're using traditional glass cleaner, I recommend that you switch to a detergent such as Dawn, a very minimal amount in water, very cut. You can see how diluted this is, not very blue, barely any detergent. What we're going to do, this is a pump sprayer. You could use a regular spray bottle. We're just going to put a minimal amount on each pane of glass. What we're doing is we're scrubbing this just hard enough to remove the contaminants on the glass. So you don't have to push super hard, but you don't want to be super gentle, because if you're too gentle, it's not actually gonna clean it. For beginners, I recommend going side to side. And overlapping where you clean. So your squeegee might be wide enough where you think you only need to do this twice, but it's a good rule of thumb to double work your areas. That avoids any streaking as well as missed spots. So I keep a microfiber just in case there's any liquid left on the edges, and you guessed it, there usually is. It's hard to get a clean pull from the exterior of the window itself. So take a clean microfiber with one finger, the least amount of surface area. I put my finger in the microfiber like this so there's the least amount of surface area possible to get those edges. As long as your microfiber is clean, it's not going to leave any streaks or any marks. Then you can flip your microfiber to your dirty side. As long as the sills aren't too dirty, and wipe out that sill before placing the screen back down.